In this video, I will show you how to hide the games you play on Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, whatever reason you want to hide the game, maybe if someone else uses your Steam account and you don't want them to play your game to lose any access, or whatever reason you want to hide your game for, the process is quite simple to follow. Now, what you want to do is log into your Steam account, and once you've done that, you want to come up to the top and you want to click onto library to be taken to your games library. Now, what this is going to do is effectively hide this game from your games library. So to go ahead and do this, just go ahead and choose a game that you want to hide. So in this example, let's go for Marvel Rivals. All you need to do is right click on the game that you want to hide to bring up this menu, scroll down and hover over the manage option, and you're going to see an option in this submenu which says hide this game. All you want to do is click hide this game, and as you can see, that's going to hide this game from your games library. Now, if you actually want to unhide the game or view the game, all you need to do is come up to the top and you can see next to Steam, we've got this view option up here. If you go ahead, give that a click, and on this drop down menu, you're going to see an option for hidden games. So what you want to do is click onto hidden games, and as you can see, here is our hidden game section. If at any point you want to unhide this game, again, all you would do is come across to your hidden games, right click onto the game itself, come down to manage, and you can see there's an option to remove from hidden, so we can give that a click. And then what we can do is come back to our library. So you want to come back up to view, click onto library to come back to our library, and you're going to see Marvel Rivals is now back in our games library. So that's how to hide the games you play on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.